Despite its dainty proportions, the Mazda Miata is always a big deal, especially when there's a new version of the car in the works. And to help celebrate this iconic Roadster's 25th birthday, the company has brought in a whole bunch of historic versions of this car and put them on display right here at the New York Auto Show. Heritage is important, especially with a car that's as revered as the Miata. These dozen or so vehicles illustrate how far this nameplate has come over the past 2.5 decades and probably hint at where the next generation model is headed. But misty-eyed nostalgia isn't the only thing on display at Mazda's booth. The company also used this event to reveal its brand new Skyactiv chassis. It's the structure that will support the upcoming Miata. And I guess if you're not ready to introduce the whole car, bits and pieces will have to do. Skyactiv is all about improving efficiency by ruthlessly optimizing vehicle components from engines and body structures to suspension assemblies and transmissions. By 2015, Mazda is aiming to improve the fuel economy of its vehicles by 30% compared to 2008, and Skyactiv is how they get there. Now, the company claims its next generation Miata will be lighter, stronger, and smaller than today's version of the car, basically more in line with the original Miata. And of course, it's still going to be rear-wheel drive, as you can see in the chassis right behind me there, of which they've made a number of important changes. The engine has been moved rearward toward the car's middle, and the center of gravity has been lowered as well. Overall, the folks at Mazda are aiming to trim around 100 kilograms from the Miata's curb weight, and that's about 220 pounds, but they want to do it the right way without sacrificing body rigidity, driving enjoyment, or safety performance. And getting them a good way toward that goal, the new Skyactiv chassis is about 14% lighter than the one supporting today's car. Front and rear, the suspension has been totally reworked, and the Miata now features electric power steering with a higher ratio and altered caster angle for better tracking. Now, this is the first time Mazda's Skyactiv principles have been applied to a rear-wheel drive architecture, and of course, the company is looking to continue its Jinba Itai philosophy, which means oneness between driver and car. And of course, we'll have a lot more information about the new Mazda Miata MX-5 once, of course, it is formally introduced.